I'm here at Wood Green with the founder of Daddy Cool, Emma Harper, and Emma's going to tell us a lot more about her wonderful idea and what it's all about.
Okay, hello. My name is Emma Harper, as you know, and I set up the Daddy Cool project about a year ago now to support positive fatherhood in terms of images, events, activities. But the difference between us and other projects is that we encourage all the family to get involved to support fatherhood. Not only dads, but maybe uncles can be a good role model, or older brothers, for the younger children today to have some sort of guidance and recognition for what they're doing. And even for guys that maybe are not finding it as easy as other men to, take their child out, come to us. We can talk to the other dads here and also get advice, tips, and share your experiences. If you have any struggles, then come to us and we can try and help you in the best way we can. We're a voluntary organisation, so everyone's doing it for the positive movements rather than just the money alone. So for more information, check out www.daddycoolproject.org.uk, or you can tweet us at daddycooluk, or check us out on Facebook. So we're everywhere. There's no excuse not to get in contact. But yeah, hopefully we'll be having more events, and with Junction 49's input we can take this further.
Amen, that sounds amazing. Also, I was going to ask you, what was the inspiration behind Daddy Cool? Where did it come from?
I think just from looking around, and also the press, the negative news that we see about young men today, not just dads but young men, and obviously these young men have the potential to become fathers in the future, so we have to focus on a wide range, not just fathers alone. And you always hear about the mums and how single mums are struggling. Not that mums don't do a good job, but I think it would be much benefit to them if they had a positive male role model in their life that could help them out when they need it. And also the father, to encourage them to support more, or to get involved and provide for their child. So that's what inspired me to start this, because it needs to be done. Something not just for today or tomorrow, it's for a long time.
And last question, where do you see Daddy Cool in 5 years' time?
5 years' time, hopefully we'll have our own office or venue so we can run events at a lesser cost, because it's very hard being a voluntary organisation today. And also we'd like to run regular workshops for the kids and also for the fathers. Obviously that comes with funding, so we're consistently looking for funding to do so in the future.
Alright, Emma, thank you so much for that.
Right, you're welcome.